they really want everything stop and go back to fighting. So, wala man akong problema. I will hire more policemen. As a matter of fact, we're training more than 20 now. And these policemen will someday go to the field and also kill them. Wala mang problema. Maraming pumapasok na police.
Okay. Sir,
So, they can keep on killing Filipinos. That is what they like. And I will just also do the same. I said, I'm not surprised about killing. Ang security ko mismo, nauna yon because I should have taken the helicopter somewhere. Inambos nila. Kasi sabi nga ng mas delikado pag nasa chopper, it's a big target in the sky. It was really, you have to pass by Marawi